we're going to be replacing the factory halogen side marker lights on this 2019 Honda Civic with brand new LED lights from ALO Lighting. To reach them, we will first remove the fender liner and the bottom cover. First, we will remove the two screws on the fender liner. To remove the bottom cover, we will need to remove these two locking tabs and this bolt. First, we will remove the bolt. Then we will pop out the two locking tabs using something flat. Then, we will remove the locking tab on the fender liner. Now, we can pull the fender liner back to reach the side marker housing. The bulb is located directly behind the side marker. To remove, turn the socket counterclockwise. Pull the factory halogen bulb straight out to remove. Replace with new LED bulb from ALO Lighting. It easily plugs straight in. To install, line up the socket with the locking tabs. Since it is difficult to see inside the wheel well, make sure that the wire is pointed towards the front of the vehicle. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock into place. The bulb and harness should now be parallel with the ground. With the bulb installed, we can now replace the fender liner and bottom cover. Replace the locking tab and then the two screws. Make sure to tighten them down. Finally, replace the bolt and the two locking tabs on the bottom cover. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Here is a 2019 Honda Civic with all new LED side marker lights from ALO Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are ALO Lighting.